how do you make sure that the people or the farmers are associated with you? They are not using any of the fertilizers or chemicals, and they are going by the book that you have in your mind or head.
Yeah, the book I have in my mind is far beyond the rules of any organization. So basically, when we look for people to join us in this bunch of farmers, is one of the oldest certified. I'm not even saying certification is what we are looking at, but they're the oldest certified organic farmers. They're a group from Nasik. It's a 2,000 strong group. When we started it with in association with them. With people like this, even if you give them pesticides free, fertilizers free, they will not put it because they know what it does to the land. So, we are dealing with people like this. Even our vendors, they understand deeply for themselves in their home also that if you are going to have chemicals, you're going to be ill and then you'll need medication. Actually, you don't need medication anyway. There are ways of just getting well. And we have a 5,000-year-old science called Ayurveda.
Yes.
We have homeopathy, we have Unani, we have Siddha. Why are we looking at a 500-year-old science called allopathy? It may be good in some ways in emergencies, but not daily, not every day. I mean, people are popping Dolo like, okay, kuch ho gaya, Dolo le lo. Everybody's saying take Dolo. It's very dangerous to take Dolo.
Yes.
So you're not letting your body tell you
That what's wrong.
what's happening. Okay, even if you have a headache, if you take a Dolo, like when is the headache gone? Is it gone or is it just a Dolo effect? So even if I have some tooth,
Ache or something.
not any procedure for my teeth, because we all grew up on maida and sugar and all that when we were kids. If the doctor even says, okay, just take the painkiller and anti-inflammation, just because you'll feel better, I never take it. Because then I know, okay, now the pain has subsided on its own, and if there's a swelling, let the swelling subside on its own. So this is the way I've been doing it, and I've been, I think, it's been very beneficial for my personal health and growth.